No, Cookie Monster only knows how to do cookies. I mean pie charts. They should really change to the cookie charts. It would make a lot more sense that way.
But Elmo doesn't need help on cookie charts. Elmo needs help on the Pythagorean theorem.
You find someone? Let's see. Whenever I need help with something, I usually go to the baker, but they can't help. Oh, I know! You can go to Abby Kitabi. She usually gives me good cookies.
Or at least someone that can help Elmo! Look at Abby with. Elmo needs help on his math homework.
Can I have a cookie? Cookie Monster loves cookies.
Sorry, Elmo, I don't really know much about math, but I know someone who is good at math. Abby! Hi, Layla!
Oh, hi, Abby, Cookie Monster, and of course, Elmo. How can I help?
Elmo needs help on his homework. The Pythagorean theorem.
I think I can help with that. Abby, would you mind if I borrowed your one?
Okay, Elmo, the first thing you want to do is draw your grid if it's not already drawn for you. If you're doing a test or your homework, they'll usually give you coordinates to start with. Here are some coordinates that I will be using as an example. Plot your coordinates on the coordinate grid. Connect them to make a triangle. Make sure they're correct. And you want to count how many spaces there are in between. Then we're going to be using the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Next thing you want to do is plug in your coordinates by writing x1, y1, x2, y2. Then you're going to put your coordinates in their natural order and then use those coordinates and plug them into the equation. So here I have 6 minus negative 4 squared plus negative 2 minus negative 2 squared. So 6 minus negative 4 is going to equal 10 squared plus 0 squared. 10 squared is 100 plus 0, and d equals 100, and make sure you square the entire thing. This is really important. And 100 squared is 10, and 10 equals the base, so that means we did it correctly. I'm just doing the exact same thing to find out the 8. So far I can see d has 0 squared plus 8 squared. Well, negative 8 squared. But that is going to end up being a positive 8, or 64 in the end. Square root of 64 is 8. So that is correct for the height. Now, Elmo, this is the part that you remembered, which is the Pythagorean theorem. The formula for that is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The a is often referred to as the height. So we're going to plug the number for the height in, which is 8, and square it. And b is often referred to as the base, and we're going to go ahead and plug that in, which is 10 squared. 8 squared is 64, and 10 squared is 100. You add those two to equal c squared, and the solution of the sum of it is 164 squared. Then you're going to square it, and you get 12.8, which equals c. Now we found our hypotenuse, which is the slanted side at the top that was missing. So now we have our triangle measurements. Now we're going to have to find the area, which formula is 1/2 base times height. The base is 10 once again, and the height is 8 once again. So you're going to multiply 10 and 8, which equals 80. And then we're going to have to find 1/2 of it, which is 40. So the area equals 40, and now we have to find the perimeter, which is side plus side plus side. We're going to have to add 10, 8, and 12.8 and get the solution of 30.8. I have no idea what I'm saying here, but do you get it now, Elmo? Elmo, where'd you go?
Up in the morning off to school, riding the bus so calm and cool. The teacher smiles and says hello. There's kids that Elmo's getting to know. There's tons of books and games to play. There's paint and paper and toys and clay.